नमस्ते दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है सॉर्ट ऑफ सर्च क्लासेस में। आज हम क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड के ऊपर कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। जैसे कि हमें पता है कि क्वांट इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पोर्शन इन एनी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन एंड इट इज द मोस्ट स्कोरिंग पोर्शन आल्सो, as it requires only your basic numerical and mathematical skills, so people are used to get enough score to increase their total marks. uh, okay, so let's start with the first problem. Two pipes can fill a cistern separately in 10 hours and 15 hours. Now, if then they can together fill the cistern in how many hours? So, one pipe can fill a cistern in 10 hours and other pipe can fill it in 15 hours. So together both of them can fill the cistern in 10 into 15 divided by 10 plus 15 hours, which is nothing but 150 divided by 25, hence 6 hours is our correct answer. Now let's check the next question. When an article is sold at a gain of 20%, it yields a 60 more than when it is sold at loss 20%. Now we need to find the cost price. So assume that the cost price is X rupees, then we can say that 80% of X plus 60 is equals to 120 X divided by 100. Okay, as we are told in the question that the loss percentage and the gain percentage both are 20 and the difference between them is 60 rupees. Therefore we get 0.8x plus 60 is equals to 1.2x, and 60 is equals to 1.2x minus 0.8x. Therefore 0.4x is equals to 60, hence x is equals to 60 divided by 0.4, hence x is 150 rupees. Hence B is the right answer. So we have successfully solved two questions, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about quants, then you can join our classes. So feel free to contact us in any of this number 9836793076 or 9874822756. And for further details, you also can check our website, which is www.sortofsuchclasses.com. Thank you very much.